Hi, I'm Wayne with Legacy Plumbing. A lot of clients ask me, when is it time, or how will I know when to replace my water heater? So I'm going to go over some reasons and some factors of when and why. First thing, obviously, will be the age of the unit. Typically hidden in the serial number in the first 4 digits. This particular unit, they use letters. A lot of them use just numbers only. I urge you to contact your manufacturer to get your exact date. Recommended replacement is 8 to 12 years. You know, depending on location, you got a water heater inside the perimeter of the house, or even, you know, above the second floor, or inside a hallway closet in the downstairs on a 1-story. You're going to want to get that thing replaced in 10 years. I mean, you don't want to end up paying a deductible plus a water heater, especially with the cost of homes in the area. Other factors will be noises inside the tank, rumbling, all the different noises that gas water heaters make, especially. You know, that's usually a determining factor of when you're actually going to replace them. Another factor will be up here at the top, either on the water lines at the tank nipples or on this type of circulation pump. Up on the expansion tank or the shutoff valve with the green handle up there, you'll get corrosion or hard water buildup. Them are also leading factors. You know, what you see on the outside is usually a lot worse on the inside. Typically on a water heater that's gas inside of a home, you know, 10 years old, you're kind of getting on borrowed time. They just don't last like they used to. That's basically everything on gas water heaters, and electrics are a little bit more, they last a little bit longer. They usually, you know, replacement on those between 10 and 14. And there again, location is everything. So don't wait. I've seen what they do. That basically concludes everything about, you know, when to replace your water heater. And thanks for watching.